Brandy with Project Manuals here, and this is a recipe I have wanted to try since we unboxed the air fryer. So they say that you can do a whole chicken in the air fryer in about an hour, and I am interested. So I have a mixture right here. This is going to be a barbecue rub that we have found that works really well for us. It's garlic powder and salt, Italian seasoning, paprika, chili powder, and some black pepper. And then I'm going to use some avocado oil instead of extra virgin olive oil, just because the smoke point's a little bit higher, so the air fryer doesn't smoke the house out. So I've gone ahead and gotten the turkey clean and ready, dried up, and so we'll go ahead and oil her up. Now, one of the things that I have seen recommended for this is to cook it breast down for the first part until you get the notification to flip it. And the reason is because if it's face down, we're tired today. If it's face down, it's less likely to burn the wing tips and the legs. So we are going to try it this way and kind of see how it goes. And then when your air fryer gives you that notification to flip it over, that's when we'll flip it chest up so you can just get that nice crispy skin there. So we noticed our chicken has a little bit of like there's a little lame duck, I guess.
Is that a chick duckin'?
I guess so.
Or is that does he need to go to the ER?
The ER? I think he's past it.
I don't think this chicken's going to be very happy that he's getting ready to go into an oven.
Probably not. Oh, you know, speaking of, I probably should set that for him. I don't know. So we're going to hit air fry. The temperature is going to be 360, and it's going to be for 60 minutes. And then you always do want to check the chicken whenever you go to pull it out. Make sure it is sitting at that 165 degrees. You don't want to get sick.
So you got a thermometer that you're going to use?
I do. I'll have that ready here shortly. Alright, so now we're just going to do the other side.
Now I saw you drying this with a paper towel before you started.
Yes.
What's the purpose of that?
Well, it's just so that, I don't know. I just didn't want all the chicken juices all over it. That way the oil will go and maybe the seasoning will stick a little bit.
Think it'll be golden brown?
Oh my gosh, I hope so. And I really, do you remember this rub that we did on the turkey at Christmas time?
Yeah, the barbecue rub you did at Christmas?
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought this would be a good seasoning to use on this chicken. We meant to get to this chicken yesterday, but between meal prep and videos, we just did not get there.
Family duties. You have to set yourself up for success.
That's the whole thing. I think that's probably good for him.
His butt looks like it needs some more.
Well, no one's going to eat his butt. That's weird. Just a little
Are you sure it's a he or a she?
I have no idea.
Alright, so what do we do now?
We're going to wait for it to tell us to add food until it gets to temperature.
That's going to look really good, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
Oh,
there it is.
It says add food. Okay.
I'm going to try to keep my dirty hands off everything. I usually have a trivet right here, but I did not this time. Hopefully I won't have it. Probably.
Don't burn yourself.
There we go.
Can you get that?
Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
Come on.
Ah!
You went to the gym.
I know, I'm going to have to wipe that down in a minute.
Okay.
Alright, so we've got it in there. We will see you when it beeps. We'll get her flipped over, and then hopefully in about an hour, we'll have an amazing chicken. Alright, so we just got the notification to turn the chicken. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So what we're going to do, I may need another set of tongs for that. Let's see here. even the underside. It's really, really nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Looks really good. All right, so now we are going to put her back in there. So it stopped at 20, so it was 40 minutes on the downside. And then we'll do the 20 on the rest of it. We'll come back whenever it's done. All right, guys. The chicken is hopefully done. Oh, I think it's stuck a little bit.
Yeah, the leg on the left side.
Oh no.
There we go.
Ah, there we go. All right.
I'm going to bring
Yeah, come on over here. So usually you let it rest a little bit before you just cut right into
in. And
it.
how do you know that?
Oh, because I used to work in kitchens.
Is it because maybe you were formerly a chef's apprentice?
I was formerly a chef's apprentice, that is true. Guys, look at this.
That's amazing.
I don't know if you can see it.
I got in there.
Do you see all of this juice?
That looks delicious.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wouldn't be doing my due diligence if we did not just make sure that no one's going to get sick.
Let's look at that.
So,
What do we got to be at?
165.
I'm zoomed in. It's rising. 120. 125.
Guys, this turned out so well. I'm super, super excited. Let me go ahead and get some of that condensation off of there. So it looks a little bit low still. Can you tell? Is it still moving?
Yep.
It's hard to see from my side. Oh, yeah, sure enough it is, isn't it?
Looks like it's at...
Like just under 160. Oh, it's closing in though, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, it is still moving. I may put it in for another 5 minutes or just let it cook for a couple minutes out here. See if it raises up just a hair more.
Yeah,
But
so
I think this was definitely a success.
we're about 158.
Yeah, we probably need to put it in for just another couple minutes. But anyway, guys, you saw me do this start to finish. It is that simple. So your favorite rub, put a little bit of oil. It did smoke just for the first 5 minutes or so. After that, there was no smoking out of the exhaust on the back. This was so easy. Super simple. So I know the rotisserie chickens are really nice to grab and go. But look, you can do it all on your own. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. Subscribe to that button below. Turn those notifications on, and we will see you next time.
I think it's on, yeah. Green light's on, it means it's on, right?
I don't know.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. What kind of bloopers were they?
The ones off the unboxing. There we go. Is that pretty visible or is that
Recording.
Oh.
I think I'm done. I don't know. Am I done?
Maybe you're done. I was like, can I stop now?
How long does this take?
I don't know, a couple minutes. Are you impatient? Are you ready to eat a chicken?
I'm hungry. We went to the gym.
We did.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, you ready to do this? I think we're gonna do this like this. Right? That way I can get up close to the first one.